guys, welcome back to another week of learning at home. Hope you're all doing great. I am looking ahead at this week, and I think pretty much the same as you've been doing. You're going to be continuing to work on your webpage, but I do want to say I love the web pages that I'm starting to see that were posted last week, kind of the starts and the framework of the website. And you guys have picked some really fun topics, so I can't wait to see how these all kind of start to come together and start to look amazing. The first thing you're going to need to do this week, you are going to need to go back to last week's assignment where you posted the framework of or the first draft or whatever it is of your Google site. So I need you to go back to last week's assignment, find that, and then choose 3 other classmates to go ahead and comment on. So I want to see those comments. I'll be looking for that to show that you're engaged in class this week. Then the rest of the week, you're going to continue to work. And at the end of the week, I want you to comment about a new technique or skill that you've actually tried in your Google site. So remember, if you think back to 2 weeks ago when I had you guys watch the videos and I asked you to start thinking about what new technique would you like to try that you've never tried before, I want you to go back and think about those things and then actually make sure you put one of them into your website this week. So I really want you to try that out this week. And then at the end of the week, you'll comment on what it is that you decided to try out. It doesn't need to be the same thing that you commented on 2 weeks ago. It could be something completely different, but what's one new skill or technique that you put into your Google site that you had never tried out before? So try something new, take a risk, see if it works. It's okay if it doesn't, but tell us about it. So that's what you're going to be doing at the end of the week. No need to comment on these unless you see a post from a friend that you want to comment on. Feel free to do that, but you don't have to. So this week I will be looking for your engagement and seeing if you are commenting on other friends' websites, and then at the end of the week if you are posting. So that's really all I have for this week. Keep working hard, keep having fun with your website, and feel free to stop in to our office hour times because I miss you guys and I want to hear what you're up to. So feel free to stop in, ask questions, just catch up. Guess that's it. So hey, take care. Have a great week. Miss you guys. See ya. Bye.